in this video, I'm gonna teach you how to connect the Logitech Pebble keyboard to iPad. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. The Logitech Pebble keyboard can be connected to any device that supports Bluetooth, so the process is extremely simple. All that you have to do is make sure that Bluetooth is set up correctly on your iPad, and then make sure that you set up the keyboard beforehand. So power on the keyboard by using this slider at the left side. You will see this green background once it is set to the on position, and the LED will light up. So you can find it here on the side. Once the keyboard has been powered on, you can now use these three buttons at the top left to enable pairing mode. So you can connect this keyboard to up to 3 devices simultaneously. Just press and hold any of these buttons that you wish to use, so for example the first one, and by pressing and holding this, you will see the LED blink, indicating that the keyboard is now in pairing mode. With the keyboard in pairing mode, you can go over to your iPad or any other compatible device and access the Bluetooth category. So in these examples, I have a MacBook, a Windows PC, and then an iPhone, which of course should be the same for your iPad. So head over into the settings, choose the Bluetooth category, and then make sure that it is enabled. With Bluetooth enabled, the Logitech keyboard will appear underneath the list of other devices. If you don't see it here, make sure that you set up pairing mode properly and that you are in close proximity. You will be able to find it as soon as you set it to pairing mode by pressing and holding any of these 3 buttons and then setting them close together. Choose the Logitech keyboard from the list, and immediately upon doing this, it will be usable natively. You might be able to configure additional settings, but it works from the get-go. There's no additional setup, or you don't need to download any application. You can swap between other devices that you have connected by pressing the buttons. So if you connect it to a MacBook, for example, on the second button, you press this one and it swaps to the MacBook. Then you can swap back to the iPad by pressing the first button, and so on. I hope I was able to help you on how to connect Logitech Pebble keyboard to iPad. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching!